What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, and today I'm at Xtreme Gym here in Pontygwaith. We've been here before, Pontygwaith that is. We've done a nice little painting just up around the corner there for Jack Street with this Welsh themed wall. So I'm starting off by getting some paint out of my van. So the colour scheme for this painting is blues and blacks and whites. So I'm getting some blues together, some blacks together, and some greys and whites and things like that. So the painting inside, I'll show you that in a sec, is the gym logo in like a funky ripped style with a bit of graffiti and some portraiture. So it's like a guy lifting some weights and another guy doing a jiu-jitsu throw, because it's like gym here and a like workout space to do like jiu-jitsu and things like that. So trying to incorporate all the bits in this one mural. So yeah, I'm gonna get a load of paint together now. So I use like a little bag to carry the paint from A to B, as in back of my van to where we are painting. So I'm going to fill that up first, and then we'll have a little chat when we go inside. So we're inside. I thought I'd just give you guys a little small tutorial on and explanation why I use 3 different paints. So this is called an MTN 94. This is a low pressure can, and what this does is does really fine details. So if you angle the can 45 degrees like into your artwork that you're painting, so what you'll do is, where I'm painting this letter here for instance, I want the inside of the letter to be the colour. So with the MTN 94, it gives you nice small dots, and what I do is I use what's called a banana universal or a Montana level 1 cap, which is a lime green cap, or this yellow one. What I do is angle 45, and you want to be near enough touching the wall just to get a nice tiny line. The closer you are, the smaller the dot. So just going to show you, start up the can, you know, nice thin outline. Then with the Cobra is a high pressure can, and then this will do a slightly bigger dot, but what I'm using is what's standard with the can, and I like these caps for just doing generic fills and things like that. So you do the same, angle 45, so I'm going to do it with the E, doing it in that way, and angle 45, but near enough touching. And see how it gives you that nice clean crisp line on the outside and a dusty line on the inside, where the 94, because it's low pressure, not a lot more paint comes out, you can get a nice cleaner, smaller line every time. So you can do that with this, but you have to be a lot quicker and a lot closer. There you go, see? Same thing, but you got a lot more control with the 94. Then you're probably wondering why I carry these cans. These are called a Molotow Premium, if it'll focus. Molotow Premium. Yeah, if it focused, it would show you. But I use these cans because the colour range they have in them is phenomenal. I think they have over like 200 colours. I don't use the black and I don't use the white because I find them quite watery, where the Cobra gives you a nice lovely fill with that, and the 94 gives you the control. So what you do is I fill everything in with Cobra because it's a bit cheaper as well, plus the coverage is really good. And then if I need to do any intricate details, I'll buy a colour in 94 just to give me that nice crispy clean edge when it comes to outlining. And these are really good for like doing portraits with, because you've got to get that little bits of detail, and plus you can have it do like little speckles if you need little shadows and stuff like that, where the more higher pressure gives you more of a dot rather than a sprinkle. So yeah, that's a little look into the cans that I use and the reasons why I use them. If you guys want to know anything else about spray paints or how to get started, drop me a comment down below or even DM me on Instagram or Facebook. So yeah, cool. I'm going to carry on with this painting and get everything marked out. So we've got a lot to do. I've got to do a weightlifter, lifting some weights, and a judo throw, and a couple of other bits. So let's get started. So we've got it all marked out. This guy over here is lifting some weights. We've got Xtreme Gym running through the middle. Got some like distressed font here with a nice clean font here. And then there's two guys. One of them doesn't like the other, so he decided to lob him. Get out of here! So they're having a scrap over there with the jiu-jitsu logo above it. And then we've got to colour everything else. So I'm going to start from left to right because I don't want to get over to the angry people. Get over to them last in it. So yeah, get the centerpiece buffed out, get it nice and grungy and like explosive with a lot of colour. Blues that is, because we're only doing blues, black and whites. And then we can get over to these guys over here scrapping. And then we call it a day. Woohoo! So we're making good progress and got everything else near enough finished apart from these two guys having a good old scrap. So he's doing like a judo throw. You kind of see this guy is getting thrown in the air by this guy, and I don't think he's enjoying it that much, but I'm going to try and paint these two being fisticuffs. But I'm happy with everything else. So we've got the Xtreme lettering in, the gym lettering in, the big X, and my X then runs through myself. I painted myself on the wall, lifting some weights. Yes, that is what this physique looks like under these clothes. Dad bod, 100%. Yeah, so we got the logo in for the jiu-jitsu, saying the way of the samurai, and then we got this. So I'm gonna start putting in the bits. That's my jiu-jitsu, and see how it goes. It should turn out right. I've done everything else all right. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, that is a wrap with this one at Xtreme Gym in Pontygwaith. Awesome little painting, awesome little gym, and if you are in the area and want to find someone new to train, have a look up for Xtreme Gym and go see my painting. Go take a picture, send it to me on Instagram or Facebook. Do appreciate it when people do that. So yeah, and if you guys do like my stuff and want to see more or want to learn some tricks and tips, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.